Our learning target of the day is I can solve problems involving applications of right triangle ratios. Our objective for the day is students will be able to find the area of a triangle when two sides and an included angle is given. Our essential question of the day is how can I find the area of a triangle when two sides and an included angle is given. In this concept, we will use three formulas. So, first concept is this, find the area of the triangle when you have been given two sides and included angle. So, I will draw a triangle over here. So this is my triangle, it does not look good. So, this is my, okay, let me start again. So, this is my triangle over here. So, what I have given this triangle angles name A, B and C. So, as you all know, this will be my lowercase side will be lowercase a, this side will be lowercase b and this side will be lowercase c. Okay, so what happens over here is two sides. Let's talk about, we are talking about two sides. So, included means the angle which is coming in middle of these two sides. So, this is the formula for this. Okay, so it might be possible instead of these two sides we might be having this and this side also. So, for these two sides A and B, the included angle is what? C. It might be possible that instead of these two sides you might have this side and this side over given to you. So, in that situation the included angle will be angle A over here. Let's look at the formulas. First formula says area of a triangle K. K is used to represent area of triangle is equal to 1/2 BC. If you look in this, this says side B and C. So, what is the included angle? C. Included angle is A. So, we got the formula 1/2 times B times C times sine A. Or, but in this concept we will using the formula 0.5 times B times C times sine of A. Let's look at another formula over here. K is equal to 1/2 AB. So, between two sides A and B, what is the included angle? If you look over here, A and B, included angle is what? Included angle is C. So, instead of half, for our making it convenient for our calculator, we will use 0.5 times A times B times sine of what? C. And it is very easy for you to memorize A, B and then the angle is C. For this one over here, it is similar, 0.5 times A times C times sine of what? B. And as you can see, A and C are over here, but angle in the middle is, included angle is what? Included angle is B. Find the area of the triangle ABC if lowercase a is 4.7, lowercase c is 12.4 and uppercase b is this. So, my formula will be area of a triangle. Now, if you, okay, always you remember all the formulas are having 0.5. Now, how you can memorize this? They gave you lowercase a, just write lowercase a, and they have given you side C, right side C, and you know when A and C are coming, the angle which will be B over here. So, let's substitute the values over here. 0.5 times A is your 4.7 times C is your 12.4 times sine of B. So, B is what? 47 degrees. So, I will type all of these values in my calculator to find my answer. So, let's pull our calculator over here. So, it says 0.5. So, this is the reason why I use 0.5 instead of 1/2, because it becomes easy for me when I am typing in my calculator. So, since there is no square over here, so I am not using parentheses, because but if it was a square somewhere, then I will have to use parentheses just to avoid making any kind of mistake. This is your sine 47. Since I open the parentheses, I will close this and my answer is 21.31. So, area of a triangle for this case is 21.31. Always remember to write square units because this is the area we are finding. So, that's your answer for this question, 21.31. Find the area of the triangle when B is equal to 10, C is equal to 14 and A is equal to 65 degree. So first of all I will write my formula. Area of a triangle is equal to 0.5. Now I don't know which formula I will use, so I will go back and look in the question. They gave me B, C and the included angle A. So I will write my formula BC sine of A. Make it a habit of writing the formulas each and every time, because if you will not write the formulas, what will happen is you will always be struggling which formula to use when over here. Now I will use my calculator to type all of these values. So this is my 0.5 times, as I mentioned earlier, since I do not have any square over here, so I will not use any parentheses, just make it easy for myself. So this is my sine 65, but at this point please do keep in mind you have to close the parentheses. My answer is what? 63.44 square units. So 63.44 square units. This is my area for this triangle. Now this question says find the area of the triangle when A is 55 degree, B is 2.65 and C is 5.6. So I will write my formula. Area of a triangle is equal to 0.5 B times C times sine of A. And you can see it is the correct formula, BC and included side is A over here. So this is your 0.5 times the value of B has been given to me 2.65 times the value of C is 5.6 times sine of A means sine of 55 degrees. So I will type this in the calculator and my answer will be what? Square units. So let's pull our calculator over here. So this is my 0.5. Do not forget 0.5. That's your 1/2. 2.65 times 5.6 times sine of 55. Since I open one parenthesis, I will close it also, and my answer is 6.07. So answer is 6.07, and this is my area for this triangle with the given 2 sides and the included angle. Let's look at this question. A triangle with 2 sides that measure 6 yards and 2 yards with an included angle of 10 degree. Important part to note over here is they have given the keyword included angle. So I can use any formula, or even if I do not have to use formula, I can write it like this: 0.5, and what I do is I take my first side, I will take as 6 yards, and I will take my second side, that's your 6 yards, times sine of what? Sine of 10 degree, which I have been doing in all of my question. So only thing left is I have to type this in my calculator to get my answer. So this is your 0.5 times 6 times 2 times sine of what? 10 degree. So my answer is what? My answer is 1.04 yard square, because I have been given 2 units, yard and yard. So my answer is 1.04 yard square. Always remember, whenever you are finding area of any shape, the unit is always with a square over there. So this is my answer for this question. Find the area of the triangle when angle C is 50.5 degree, lowercase a is 12.6 and side B is 16. So in this case my formula is area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 means 0.5 times A times B, and the included angle is what? Sine of C. So what I will do is I will substitute the values over here. So this is your 12.6 times 16 times sine of what? 50.5 degree. So I will type this in the calculator to find my answer. So this is my calculator over here. So this says 0.5. I will just take 0.5 times 12 0.6 times 16 times sine of 50.5, and make sure you close the parentheses over here, and your answer is 77.77 or 77. So 77.77. Since there is no units over here, you can always write square units, and this is your answer for this question over here.